días, señoras y señores. Welcome to Olaf's oldtimer. So, it is time to get on the boat to Spanish mainland. We are going with Fred Olsen, Ferry company, and we are already in the harbor. The car is fully packed, and I think in the last video I told you that the belt is squealing, and it's not the belt to the generator, but it's the belt driving the water pump. I was a little afraid we have an issue there. The belt is very loose, but in front of the house, my friend Tony last night in the dark, I couldn't change it, and I couldn't fix it. So what I did is I took some WD-40, sprayed it right on the belt last night, and another tiny bit this morning, and it's not squealing anymore. I know I need to tension it. I'll look into it, but first the car goes onto the ferry. I think I'm rather early. The boat is delayed. I should have 3 hours, boring hours to wait. But well, let's see. I think we're very close right now. There you can see the sign Embarque Huelva. Okay, so I'm in the queue. Oh, we didn't hear the belt this morning. Now we do. Maybe we need to add some more WD-40. Gracias. And now, picture for Tony. Another car is leaving nicely. Made it. bit tired, I have to admit. So 2 nights sleeping in a seat, which was rather nice, but still a seat. I'm quite happy to move on. It was very nice on the boat, great weather, especially yesterday, sitting outside. You can do nothing except reading a book. And now we're in Huelva, Spain.
Turn right.
Turn right is a nice idea because out there's the open sea.
And then turn right.
Reducing the idle a bit. I did hear the belt squealing, and I applied some more WD-40 just before I started the engine. I need to fix the tension. I really need to do that. Don't want to really do it first thing because I have the feeling I want to get going. I mean, it's nice down here in the south, it's still warm, it's early morning, it is 9:30, so 2-hour delay in the end, 2-hour delay. But well, we started with a 4-hour delay, so that's alright. But first, let's get through the check here. Buenos días, señor.
¿Qué es lo que lleva usted detrás?
¿Cuándo?
¿Qué es lo que lleva detrás? Smoky,
No.
cigarret, nada, ¿no?
No, that's it. So, I was asked if I have cigarettes in the boot. That was the question. Okay.
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit and fight on, fighter. And then, at the roundabout,
Let's go.
take the second exit. I
All
see
set.
possibilities up ahead.
I put into the GPS as next
At the
destination.
roundabout, take the first exit and fight on, fighter.
Zafra?
And then,
Zafra?
at the roundabout, take the second
And
exit. I see
with the
possibilities
avoidance
up ahead.
of how do you say, interstates, Autobahn, Autovia.
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit. I see possibilities up ahead.
And it says 2 hours and 30 minutes, but that's only a
At the
fraction
roundabout,
of
take the second exit.
the
I see possibilities
target
up
for
ahead.
today. I actually wanted to go up to Salamanca or near Salamanca, and I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm 2 hours late already. But of course, the car is doing fine. So, let's see. Here in Huelva, I'll concentrate on the GPS a bit so I don't get lost. So, you'll hear more from me later. And for this episode, that's it. I made it to the mainland, and stay safe and healthy, and see me in my next video. Bye.